top movies that every data scientist must watch. The first one is none other than the famous Imitation game. That offers insights into how code breaking during World War II laid the groundwork for modern cryptography, resonating with data scientists' love for problem solving. Next one is the finest of all, A Beautiful Mind. That portrays the brilliance and challenges of a mathematician, inspiring data scientists to embrace both the beauty and complexities of their field. Then comes the classic Blade Runner. That explores ethical questions surrounding AI and its impact on society, prompting data scientists to reflect on the responsibilities of their work. Minority Report showcases predictive analytics and its potential consequences, serving as a cautionary tale for data scientists about the ethical implications of data-driven decision-making. And Machina delves into the concept of consciousness in AI, urging data scientists to ponder the frontiers of machine learning and its potential implications for the future. So, make learning fun with E-Academy.